What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I want to talk to you about Shezmu. I don't know if you guys have heard of it, but this is something that's come across my desk today that I think we need to talk about because it's one of those projects that launched a little bit ago, has seen maybe through not really the worst of the bear market, but definitely seeing kind of the tail end of the bear market, and now is starting to kind of pick up where the market is starting to pick up. And you want to see that level of volume, you want to see the level of trust, you want to see the level of exchanges that are being a part of this as well. Just like with my partnership with Lucky's Leprechaun, that's something that I wanted to see start out at a low level and be very, very successful in the end. And I think that will be successful. They're constantly growing and adding on different exchanges. And I want to see the same for this project. Shezmu, and everything that has been that's with the website and what it does look like something that should honestly see a little bit more volume. So let's talk about this project. Guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to check out any of the links for Shezmu yourself, feel free to check that out. I'll provide those links at the top of the description. Now, I just want to put out a little bit of a disclaimer. This is not financial advice, guys. I want you guys to go and research this project yourself because there's a lot of information that I just truly can't cover in a short video on YouTube. So I hope that you guys don't just go, hey, Matt's talking about this, let's buy it. I hope you go, hey, Matt's talking about this, let's actually see what it's worth. If it's for me, then maybe I'll make that move. If it's not, then you don't make the move. But the point is that you give it a chance. My mission is to open the door for you guys. And once that door is opened, or the visual is there of what it is, you can make that decision for yourself and feel good about that decision because there's a lot of opportunities out there where you can make a ton of money from. Trust me, I've started out in some of the lower ones and I'm able to make a lot of money out of those plays. And not only just make the money, but some you end up seeing decent sized use cases from. So anyways, let's start out with the Shezmu website, which is shezmu.io. And if you guys want to check that out, again, the link will be down in the description. The altar of Shezmu awaits. Start your Shezmu journey by clicking the launch app. Now you can go in there and click that launch app and see a lot of information, whether you go into your dashboard, collateral, borrow, and staking. You'll be able to go into that information, but I would imagine you want to maybe know a little bit more about it so you can see the opportunity that does await. You have different levels, different parts of the community. You have a craftsman, you have scribe, a high priest, nobles, visors visors. You have pharaoh, which is 100x, 50x, 25x, 1x, 5x, 10x. So introducing craftsmen, each is worth one guardian. Each craftsman pays one Shezmu daily and zero point 0.1 Shezmu daily, and USDC rewards. A scribe would get 5 guardians, will get 0.5 Shezmu daily. You would get 10 guardians for a high priest, and then 1 Shezmu daily, and USDC rewards 2.5 here, 5 here, and so on and so forth, right? So you get different rewards, and you're getting that little bit of a benefit for being a part of that and being a part of the community. The Shezmu 3 pillars: you have scarcity, you have stability, and you have rewards. Scarcity is the core, is at the core of any value. Therefore, to build community value, Shezmu is designed to be scarce. Stability: the structure of Shezmu's tokenomics incentives long-term stability through multiple unique mechanisms developed by the Shezmu team. And again, that's something that's big, right? Where you have scarcity, you have stability. I feel like scarcity is a number one selling point for me, to be able to see that price rise even as the market cap could potentially decrease, right? Market cap doesn't necessarily have to be a ridiculous amount, but if it's worth the same amount as the supply starts to decrease, that's where you get a massive level of scarcity, right? Because there's not as many that's available, and it brings the price up to a massive level. So You also have stability, again, being able to incentivize longer term holding. That's something that you see in things like, CRO, or in Ethereum, or in Solana, and a lot of projects that really give you that ability to stake, give you that ability to get rewards and all of that, which is a huge selling point for a project, for a customer as well, for a user, an investor, where we can gather something else for holding that position. And it's a benefit for you, benefit for me, right? Win win. Guardians, so then you have rewards. Guardians own or owners earn Shezmu and USDC rewards. So you're getting something extra on top of that, on top of just holding and being a part of the community. So daily Shezmu rewards, Guardian owners have the ability to claim Shezmu rewards at a current reward yield. USDC allowance, Guardian owners are entitled to share the sales tax paid via USDC. No lockout periods whatsoever. Guardian owners always have the ability to sell their guardians, meaning no liquid positions ever, right? So again, a big selling point into being a part of the community and holding within that position there. But if we go into, let's go into the Twitter account just to see where the Twitter account is. Shezmu currently has 3,600 followers right now, and if you want to go and check out their Twitter account, feel free to go and ask them questions on what it all is and what they're planning to do, and maybe other exchanges that they plan on launching on, and all of that other type of stuff, to really have that full connection with the community and get an understanding there. Now, you also want to go into the chart and see how that has performed. But if we look at all history, it is down 74% from where it was. But where this started, it started at a $1.30 price. As far as I've seen, it started at a lower price before it hit CoinMarketCap. But the interesting piece is you also have a total of 10 million Shezmu that was out there. 95% of the tokens were burned upon launch to create an initial supply shock, which definitely was the case, where you see this from a $1.30 price point, and now you see it at a level of $6.43, giving it that opportunity to increase. This was launched somewhere in September, and you saw it at that $1 price increase to about a $24 price, before then decreasing down here to $5 and giving you the opportunity to get up to about $40. So it creates that level of scarcity, knowing that you only have a certain amount that truly is out there, where 95% of the supply has been burned off. And I'm a big fan of projects that do have a deflationary aspect to it, that do have a way of increasing the price, not just on the basis of the market cap, but on the basis of having less of a supply that's out there. Currently, the market cap is at a $700,000 dollar market cap, which is not crazy. Shows that it's still beginning stages. And then you're also looking at $36,000 worth of volume. Just imagine, as you see less supply that's out here and more of a overall shock to the position, and see the level of volume that can go through this. And if that level of volume can go through it, what could the price essentially be? Now, right now, if you wanted to purchase it, you can get it on Uniswap and take your chances with that play. But as you see more and more people that may be talking about this could potentially see $50,000 in volume, $100,000 in volume, $1 million in volume. So honestly, it does open your eyes to what the opportunity could be, because it's a $700,000 market cap. Imagine this, at a $1 million market cap. Seeing it at a let's say $80 million market cap, $100 million market cap. What would the price be then? Not just worried about the market cap, because we've seen things that are $100 million market cap, but the price, we're less than $1 million right now. That's where the unknown will make it super interesting to the normal person. And that's why I'm saying that you can go out there and find different projects that are just like this, that are like that are low market cap levels, and see the level of success. But something that's well established, maybe this gives you a little bit more of a benefit. So I don't know. You guys, let me know what you're thinking about this position. Have you heard of this positions before? What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section below. But make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. I appreciate all of you guys, taking the time out of your day to watch this video. And don't forget about those links for Shezmu down below if you want to look at it yourself. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.